In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and use Miro to crop images on your boards. First, let's dive into the basics of getting to where you need to be. The journey begins by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Miro's login page. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to sign in with your credentials. A quick tip for easy access is to bookmark the page if you know you'll be a frequent user. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard filled with any boards you've already been working on. From here, it's about finding the board you want to work with. Select an existing board by clicking on it. This will open up the entire workspace where you have the creative freedom to organize and manage your ideas visually. Now it's time to get into the heart of today's objective, cropping an image. On your chosen board, start by navigating to the particular image you want to modify. Click on that image to highlight it, which also activates the contextual toolbar. This toolbar is essential for making any modifications to elements on your board. As you scan through the tools available, look for the crop icon. This icon is your key to adjusting the image to better fit your board's needs. With your image still selected, go ahead and click on the crop icon. A set of options will appear, offering different styles for cropping. At this stage, you have the opportunity to be intentional about how the image will integrate with the rest of your board. Select your desired cropping style by dragging the corners or sides of the bounding box that appears around your image, adjusting to the perfect size and focus area. This is where a bit of artistry comes into play. Take your time to really get the crop just right. If you've got a specific area of the image that needs to be emphasized, ensure that it remains within the frame. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, finalize the crop by pressing the Enter key or clicking outside the image area, which will lock in your crop adjustments. Remember, Miro's tools are designed to make your workspace as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. Don't hesitate to experiment with different cropping options to better accommodate whatever ideas or projects you're working on. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your Miro boards, allowing for clearer communication of your concepts and designs. Thanks for joining me on this guided tour through Miro's capabilities. Happy